New AI video tools are emerging every day and getting smarter. Wan AI, Kling AI, and Minimax AI each have their own strengths and weaknesses. Today, we're comparing them side by side so you can decide which one best fits your needs. Wan AI, developed by Alibaba, is a versatile tool that supports both image and video generation. You can create videos using text prompts or existing images, making it great for storytelling and visual creativity. Hailuo AI, developed by Minimax, works similarly but has multiple models for camera movement controls when generate video with text prompt or image sources. Image generation feature has been recently added. They also have several effects for use in video generation and model for creating consistent characters in different scenes by uploading single image. Kling AI, developed by Hailuo AI team, has the ability to generate both photos and videos. It goes a step further with its Elements feature, which allows you to include multiple source images in your video, and its Fun Effects feature perfect for content creation. Additionally, its advanced lip syncing capabilities make it ideal for creating realistic talking avatars and dynamic visuals. Let's compare image output of these tools. Hailuo AI has introduced a preset library. In the first tab, you'll find public prompts, while the second tab allows you to save your own prompts for easy access. You can browse through prompts, select any one, and save it to your presets. Tap on a prompt to view its details. When you click on it, it will automatically appear in the prompt box. From there, you can edit it, select it, and press Add to Presets to save it for quick access in the future. For this test, I used this prompt. You also have the option to let the AI enhance your prompt for more refined results. In Wan AI, I used the latest model and added the same prompt. You have the option to enhance your prompt for more detailed results. Additionally, you can choose a style based on the type of image you want to generate. This style helps to create images like these. If you enable inspiration mode, the AI gets more creative, which can lead to results that differ from your original prompt. By default, Wan AI generates 4 images per prompt. I added the same prompt in Kling AI. Here, you can upload a reference image, which allows the AI to generate results based on both your prompt and the content of your reference image. For this test, I used this model. Hailuo AI provides overall realism in full scenes, with well-balanced lighting and cinematic composition. Wan AI generates hyper-realistic face. Kling AI produces a dreamy look with soft lighting and an artistic feel. It generates high-quality images, but they look more artistic rather than completely realistic. They have attractive lighting and colors. Depending on the use case, each tool has its strengths. Your choice should depend on your use case and personal preference, and don't limit yourself to one tool. To compare the text-to-video feature, I tested this prompt. If you want to include camera movement in your video, use the director model in Hailuo AI. I used this model. In Wan AI, I used the Plus model, which provides higher quality and more advanced motion effects. If your prompt exceeds 800 characters, you can use ChatGPT to shorten it, while keeping the key details intact for a similar creation. You also have the option to enhance your prompt for more detailed results. In Kling AI, I use the same prompt. Here, you can add negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements like morphing, incorrect anatomy, or anything else you don't want in your result. You can also save your prompt as a preset for quick access later. You'll find it in the Assets section, where you can change the title and save it for future use. Finally, Adjusting the creativity slider lets the AI to take more control and generate a video based on its own creative interpretation. Hailuo AI delivers accurate and precise results. It has paid the most attention to the details described in the prompt. The lighting, textures, and steam effects are well executed. However, it slightly leans toward an artistic rather than purely realistic look. Wan AI created great videos like Hailuo AI, but it has not paid attention to some details in the prompt. The lighting is warm and inviting. Kling AI focuses more on realistic style, but some details like fur texture and steam effects look less refined. The lighting and overall composition look more realistic. See results of this prompt in these tools. For image to video in Hailuo AI, go to the Image to Video tab. Upload an image, or select one from your history. You can add a prompt, or leave it empty, and let the AI animate your image automatically. To enable camera movement, select the director model. Preview each one and use the ones that fits your work. For a detailed guide on using camera movement, check out this tutorial on my channel. In Wan AI, go to the Image to Video tab. Upload an image, or use one of the provided examples from here. Wan AI also allows you to use 2 images instead of 1. The animation will start from the first frame and moves to the last frame. In Kling AI, using first and last frame is not available in the free plan. Add a prompt and a negative prompt if needed, then generate your video. Here are some examples that I tested. For the 2 previous examples I showed in Hailuo AI and Kling AI, I tried the same image in Wan AI. However, Wan AI displayed a message saying try a different image, meaning it couldn't generate a video with that specific image. Hailuo AI gives you daily free credits, and you can explore different subscription plans. With a paid plan, you get watermark-free results, permission for commercial use, and faster generating times. Kling AI gives you monthly free credits and also offers monthly and yearly plans, along with various credit packages. For all these tools, the free plan depends on server availability. If the server is busy, it may take an hour or more to generate results. Currently, Wan AI is free, but they will introduce pricing plans in the future. They provide daily credits, but to claim them, you need to log in and press the check-in button. You can also earn more credits by doing certain tasks. When you create an image or video, you can rate it to help improve the AI. Each rank gives you 5 credits, and you can do this twice per day. To rate, click Details, then like or dislike the result. Another way to earn credits is by publishing your results. You can do this twice a day and earn 20 credits per publish. To make your result public, go to Details, then select Publish from the menu. Let me know in the comments which tool works best for you.